election is challenging because I fought against Mr. Manohar Parrikar. And even last time, because Manohar Parrikar tried to level batch, even he was the defense minister and BJP government was in Goa. Even at the time I called this as independent, why Congress gave me a support. Now, I still believe that then AAP was, I think, one of the decisive factors last time, which they took around 2,000 votes. But I still feel last time the votes which went to AAP, or even which went to BJP, that was basically, as I said, that was trust deficit from the people. Whether people did not believe whether I would jump as an independent or whether I would basically support the Congress. So I think that was one of the distinguishing factors.
And how long, say, after you come back to Congress? How long?
I look at it more like a homecoming. I think it is a return of a prodigal son. So the son basically has learned a lesson roaming everywhere. So Baba, this is my home. So I have come back home.
How many years, sir?
I think just when Parrikar lost for this election, from that time it was. I think actually, frankly speaking, I was not, I didn't leave the party. Actually, here our ex-president removed me from the party.
या मॅनिफेस्टोचे कितें आसा तें गिरीशान सांगलां. हांव एकच मुद्दो तुमच्या मुखार दवरतां. काल सुरेश प्रभूचो स्टेटमेंट आनी ताचो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स हांव पळयतालो. सुरेश प्रभून सांगलें की गोंयचो मायनिंग इश्यू लेट द न्यू गव्हर्नमेंट will decide and take a decision. हे सांगपाक म्हाका दिसता आमकां केंद्राचे मंत्री नाका अशें. कारण आज पर्यंत जो पळय प्रोपागंडा जातालो आनी ज्या पद्दतीन सांगलें वतालें की खासदार धरून मंत्री जो येतालो तो सांगतालो की फाल्यां सुटलो परत सुटलो. कोंकणीन एक म्हण आसा कितें जाय आज येता फाल्यां येता पावोन पावना म्हणून तसली गजाल ह्या मायनिंगाची जाली. खूब आनंद आनी कुशळटाय भोगता की आमचो इश्ट आमचो एक भाव आमचो एक पूत काँग्रेस गोराब्यान काँग्रेस जो आमचो फॅमिली आहा आय वेलकम यू अँड आय विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस. आनी आज जें पावर पडटा म्हज्यान सांगूं येता की न्हय फकत लोकसभेच्यो वेंचणुक्यो पूण विधानसभेच्यो बाय इलेक्शन आहा ही जातली पुराय योस मेळटलो आनी काँग्रेस पक्ष जो लोकांनी सरकार दिल्लो and which mandate was robbed by the people's mandate was robbed by the BJP will be restored back to the people of Goa.
Good morning. जे मॅनिफेस्टोचेर आमचे प्राथमीक जे कितें आसा तें सांगलें आसा पूण हांव सगळें डिटेलान परत वचना पूण आमचे मॅनिफेस्टो भितर हो जो आतांचो गोवा जे गोंयचे पक्ष रिलेटेड आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचो नॅशनल आमचो मॅनिफेस्टो जो आसा राष्ट्रीय मॅनिफेस्टो आसा ताजे काही ठळक मुद्दे आमी सांगले आसात आनी ते गोंयकारांक सामके उपयोगी ठरपाचे.
जो आसा हे आमचे म्हणजे गोंयचे सगळे पॉयंट्स ते कव्हर केल्यात आनी हे सगळे तरेचे लोक जे आसा तांकां सगळे वेगवेगळे धंद्याचे लोक जे आसा वेगवेगळे जातीचे लोक आसात हे हितून सगळे कव्हर जाल्ले आसा आनी हितूनच्यान हे बेनिफीट हे नक्कीच तांकां मेळटले आनी हेजो बेनिफीट लोकांक कळटले. आनी कारण आमी जे आमच्या पक्षान फाटल्या वेळार जे कितें केलें त्या पक्षांनी आमी तशें करतना आमचे जे आसा लोकांक डायरेक्ट फायदे जातले. सेंट्रल जे मॅनिफेस्टो आनी गोंयचो जो मॅनिफेस्टो आसा हो प्रत्येक लोकां कडेन पावतलो आनी प्रत्येक लोकांची उदरगत घेवन रावपाक आनी त्याच बराबर काल पयर येवन जो आसा तो प्रभू येवन सांगता आमी सोडटले 7 वर्सांनी हो तेजें तोंड उगडलां म्हणजे तशें ना आमचें हे जातलें. आनी मायनिंगाचे लोकांचे जे सोडपाक आमी बी वावरतले. आमचे दोगी खासदार जे आसात बाब गिरीश खासदार जालो म्हणटा आनी बाब दुसरो बाब साळवी हे दोगी खासदार जाले आनी हे दोगी झगडून हे मायनिंगाचे जे आसा ते मायनिंग इतले लोक गरीब आसा तेजे त्रासा पडलेले आसा हे त्रास तेजे पयस करपाक हे वावरतले.
देशाच्या नागरिकांक कन्सल्ट केले वेगळे वेगळे ऑर्गनायजेशनाक कन्सल्ट केले. गोंयांक एक टीम आयिल्ली आनी तीच भर तेणें वेगळे वेगळे संघटना एनजीओस पब्लीक आनी वेगळे वेगळे ऑर्गनायजेशनाक कन्सल्ट केले आनी खुबशीं सजेशनां गेल्लीं. तो डिटेल मॅनिफेस्टो हांव वाचपाक वचना कारण ते खूब व्हडले प्रॉमिसीस आसात पूण जे गोवाक इफेक्ट जातात आनी गोंयाच्यान जी सजेशन केल्लीं तांकां इफेक्ट जाता. एक म्हणजे गोंयांत टुरिझम सेक्टरान एक डिमांड केल्लो की गोवा टुरिझम हो 50% डावन आसा. सो टुरिझम रिवायव करपा खातीर आमकां थोड्यो फॅसिलिटी दिवच्यो म्हणून. सो अकॉर्डिंगली त्यांनी एक डिमांड केली की टुरिझम डेव्हलपमेंट बँक ना एग्रीकल्चर डेव्हलपमेंट असा इंडस्ट्रियल डेव्हलपमेंट असा. सो वी आर प्रॉमिस्ड हियर दॅट काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट विल फॉर्म द टुरिझम डेव्हलपमेंट बँक.
See, I don't understand why people of Panjim are not basically voicing their concern. Now you just see, if you would see the smart city. The smart city, when we started the smart city in 2016, that was the time we were ranked at 91 or 90. Okay, 2017 we were ranked at 157. 218 in 2018 we were ranked at 357. Now I am saying when we are spending crores of rupees, we need to improve. So where is the improvement? I am saying if we had not spent even, I don't know what is the amount they have spent. They have spent, I think, hundreds of crores of rupees. Now, as far as that, cameras and all they are putting, that only itself is coming to 181 crore rupees. Now they are trying to renovate their office with the old secretariat for 20 crore rupees. 20 crore rupees, a building of 10-story building can come. Now, I am saying these are the things where money is going. Nothing is happening, nothing smart is happening as far as Panjim is concerned. So we are going in fact from bad to worse. So if we had not spent even 1 rupee, we would have still remained on 90. So we are spending money here to get bad name for our city. So we need to look at that, and we need to basically have accountability. And most important thing, who is looking after a smart city, you know very well. Who is pocketing money, that everyone should understand. So our thing is what is happening. I always believe development should be such when you can stand and get a work done. Stand and get a work done. When you have not received 1 rupee commission, no, that is the time you have got a guts and you have got a conscience to stand there. Because if I have taken something from you, I have got no guts of conscience to stand then and get a work. Because he will say, what the hell are you standing for? When you have taken your cut of it. That is the way how I have done development in Talegaon. That one contractor come and say that Babush has taken 1 rupee as far as development of Talegaon is concerned. That is the reason still that the development work of Talegaon is still solid. And not like these people. Just go and see what is the development in smart city they have done. If you give one kick, I think one full slab will go out. This is the state of affairs. So this should be corrected. Parikh basically had given a free hand to all. And now it is nothing, it is now legacy and all this. It is all these people who were at the last days of Parikh's dying bed. These are the people who want their survival. That is the reason they are pushing this on.